Turkey continues to bolster its defensive capabilities by taking steps to integrate the Russian S-400 missile system into its national command and control framework. According to Turkish news outlets such as Turkish Minute and TurDef, the S-400 system will be linked with other Turkish air defense technologies, including the domestically developed Cyper system, as part of Turkey's Hakim 100 integrated command and control system. This system, developed by the Turkish defense company Aselsan, will unify various defense platforms, including NATO systems, providing commanders with a comprehensive view of airspace through real-time data collection from multiple sensors and radars. The goal is to enhance the coordination and efficiency of all components of Turkey's air defense network. Additionally, Hakim 100 will integrate advanced threat assessment and weapon allocation algorithms, with plans to incorporate artificial intelligence and machine learning in future system upgrades. Despite media reports and speculation, Turkey's Ministry of Defense has not issued an official statement on the matter. Turkey's acquisition of the S-400 system in 2019 caused significant tensions with the United States and other Western allies, as a failed attempt to purchase the American Patriot system led Ankara to turn to Russia. The Turkish military plans to deploy the 4 S-400 batteries in strategic locations, including the southern border with Syria, where aerial threats are most pronounced. Additional deployments will fortify bases in the western part of the country and key urban centers. With this approach, Ankara is constructing a multi-layered air defense network that significantly enhances its deterrence capabilities against potential adversaries.